another delicious episode of Mustard Tempered Dreams. I am Neha and today I'm going to share with you a beautiful family recipe that's been passed down through generations. A delicious and flavorful Maharashtrian rice dish called Vangi Bhat, which translates to eggplant rice. This dish is especially close to my heart because I learned to make it from my grandmother and it's one of my favorite dishes made by her. My grandma is now 90 but still makes sure there's some Vangi Bhat waiting for me whenever I visit her. And though I make this dish often, it always has something missing, and that is the taste of my nanny's love. But what to do? We have to make do with what we have, and it just gives me so much happiness to share this recipe with you. Alright then, let's go make this beautiful Vangi Bhat. And don't forget to check out the list of ingredients in the description below.
First and foremost, I'm going to start by washing the rice. Here I've taken 2 cups of basmati rice. I'm going to thoroughly wash the rice 3 to 4 times till the water runs clear. Then I'm going to drain and cover the rice and set it aside for 30 minutes. Next, I'm going to make the tempering to make our eggplant stuffing. Let's start by adding about 3 tablespoons of oil in the pan. When the oil becomes hot, we'll add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. As the mustard seeds start spluttering, we'll add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next, we'll add a teaspoon of sesame seeds and about 7 to 8 curry leaves. We'll follow this with 1/4 teaspoon Hing or Asafoetida. Now we'll give this tempering a quick stir and set it aside to cool. As our tempering is cooling, let's get our vangi or eggplants ready. Here I have with me 6 of these fresh and beautiful baby eggplants. Now I'm going to slice the eggplants lengthwise in quarters to make space for the stuffing. We have to be careful here not to slice the eggplants all the way through. Make sure to keep the sliced eggplants in water to prevent them from browning. Now we'll slice all our eggplants the same way. Now that our tempering has cooled down, I'm going to add into it half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of roasted peanut powder and 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. Into this, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of fresh grated coconut and a teaspoon of jaggery. Now I'm going to properly mix all of this with my hand. Next, I'm going to mix in about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Once the stuffing is thoroughly mixed, give it a taste and adjust the spice and seasoning if required. Our stuffing is ready and it tastes delicious. Now let's get it into those eggplants. I'm really going to fill up these eggplants as much as possible with the stuffing. Just look at how gorgeous these stuffed eggplants are looking.
And now that the eggplants are stuffed and ready, it's time to make the Vangi Bhat.
To make the Vangi Bhat, I'm going to start by adding 3 tablespoons of oil into this pan. When hot, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and as they begin to splutter, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next, I'm going to add 2 cloves and about 7 to 8 black peppercorns. Then I'm going to add 2 inches of cinnamon sticks, 2 small bay leaves and 2 to 3 pinches of hing or asafoetida. We'll give this tempering a quick stir, and as the whole spices start becoming aromatic, we'll add in our washed rice. We'll saute the rice with the tempering for about a minute or 2 and then add the powdered spices. We'll add about 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons of red chili powder and about a tablespoon of a mixed masala of your choice. Here I'm using the traditional Maharashtrian Goda masala, but you can also use Garam masala or the traditional kanda lasun, which is also called onion garlic masala. We'll roast the masala with the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes or till it becomes nice and fragrant. Now I like my Vangi Bhat to be a little spicy, so I'm going to add a little bit more of that Goda masala and some more red chili powder. Once the masalas are nicely roasted, I'm going to add in about 5 cups of hot water, give it a stir and then add in some salt to taste. As the water comes to a boil, we'll carefully drop in our stuffed eggplants. We'll keep giving the eggplants a gentle stir now and then and keep rolling them over so that they cook evenly. We'll keep doing this till the water reduces and we can see just a few bubbles on the surface. At this stage, we'll cover and cook the Vangi Bhat for about 12 to 15 minutes or till the eggplants are completely cooked. It's been about 13 minutes now. Let's open and check. To check if the eggplants are ready, we'll insert a knife into them, and if it penetrates the eggplant smoothly, that means they are done. Wow, all these eggplants are perfectly cooked. Now let's garnish this beautiful Vangi Bhat with some fresh grated coconut and some freshly chopped cilantro.
Oh my god, this smells so good. I just can't wait to taste it. Oh wow, this Vangi Bhat tastes amazing. My Ajji would be so proud of me. Do give this wonderful family recipe a try, and when you do, give a shout out to my Nani in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Mustard Temper Dreams. See you next week. Bye!